To get output 1 for the following circuit, the correct choice for the input is. Here, the logical gate is given, that is ABC. AB it is connected to the OR gate, and the output of the AB and C is connected to the AND gate. And the resultant is output from the AND gate, it is Y, which is equal to 1. That means if Y value is equal to 1, that means definitely the C value is also equal to 1. That means the output of the circuit Y is equal to 1, that is from A plus B into C is Y is equal to 1. When this becomes C is equal to 1. And here the output of the AB may be like this. A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1, or B is equal to 0 and A is equal to 1, or AB is equal to 1. All these cases is possible, but definitely the C value must be 1 here. So this we can see in the option D. The option D, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0. Yes, sir. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0. It is possible from the A and B. And C is equal to 1. Definitely we have this one. Then option D is the right answer.